Look at this channel. It has gained 72,000 subscribers with just 71 videos, and it is a complete faceless channel. These types of channels are getting millions of views with zero camera gear and zero physical effort. The crazy part? You can make exactly this type of content easily without any editing experience. And more importantly, you can make these videos entirely on your phone. No laptop or PC required. To make these videos, you will have to go through 3 simple phases: scripting, voiceover, and video editing. Now I will show you exactly how you can generate your script right on your phone. So let's begin. Let's start with phase 1, scripting. Scripting is the most important part of making viral videos. If your script is boring, no one is going to watch your full video no matter how good your editing is. I am going to show you the easiest way to write a high-quality script using AI in just 1 click. But before that, you need a winning topic for your video. The best strategy is to check the top viral channels in your niche. Look at their last 2 months of videos and see what is already getting views. For example, on this channel, Fit and Curious, their core exercise video got a lot of views recently. So, we will make our video on this exact same topic. Now to write the script, you can use ChatGPT or Claude. To make this super easy, I have made a ready-to-use master prompt for you that you can use for almost any video. Just copy this prompt into ChatGPT, type your video topic in the topic section, and add a reference script in the reference section. To get a reference script, open your browser, go to any free YouTube transcript website, and paste the video link. Copy that transcript, paste it inside the prompt, and hit send. ChatGPT will analyze everything and give you a complete, powerful script. You can also adjust this prompt or add your own extra instructions anytime. Now let's move to phase 2, voiceover. Once your script is ready, you need a clear and engaging voiceover. You can record the voiceover yourself using your phone, but I recommend using AI voice tools to save time and get a professional sound. You can use popular AI tools like 11 Labs, but those usually require a paid subscription. So if you want a 100% free solution, you can generate your entire voiceover right inside CapCut without spending a single dollar. Here is the secret trick. First, break your full script into smaller parts, about 4 to 5 lines per paragraph. Then, open CapCut, paste the first paragraph as text, and use the text-to-speech option. Select a good male voice and generate the audio. Repeat this same process for all the remaining parts of your script. Once all the audio parts are generated, simply merge them together on your CapCut timeline and export the full audio file. Using this simple technique, you get a clean, professional AI voiceover for your entire video completely for free. Now we've reached the final and most crucial phase, editing. No matter how good your script or AI voiceover is, poor editing will kill your retention instantly. People won't stay past the first 10 seconds if your visuals don't hold their attention. For this tutorial, we will be using InShot. It's lightweight, fast, and allows you to export high-quality 4K videos at 60 FPS completely free without forcing a subscription. Let's break down the exact step-by-step editing process. Step 1. Analyze your script line by line. Before dropping any footage onto your timeline, read your script paragraph by paragraph. Break it down line by line to understand the visual concept needed for each specific phrase. For example, look at our first paragraph. Line 1 says, if you can hold a plank for 5 minutes. Here, the visual is obvious. We need a clean clip of someone performing a plank. Go to YouTube, search for man doing plank stock footage, and save a high-quality 1 to 2 minute clip to your phone. Line 2 says, but still cannot see your abs. You may be training the wrong thing. For this, we need a visual representing body fat or abs. Search YouTube for man with belly fat stock footage and download a matching clip. Step 2. Import your media and sync audio. Open InShot, create a new video project, and select your first downloaded clip. Tap on the music icon, select tracks, and choose Extract Audio to import your final voiceover file. Listen to your voiceover carefully as it plays on the timeline. Play the audio until it reaches the end of the first line. Now click on the perfect option and then adjust it and delete the unwanted part of video and just show the clip of exercises. Then tap the split button, delete the remaining unwanted clip, and tap the plus icon to insert your second clip of the belly fat visual. And also listen voiceover and split it, and then move it closer to the first split part of voiceover. Check out this our manually edited video clip.
If you can hold a plank for 5 minutes but still cannot see your abs, you may be training the wrong thing.
Now let's apply the exact same method to our next paragraph, which says, because a six-pack is not built by doing 500 crunches, and it is definitely not revealed by doing endless leg raises while your lower back screams for mercy. First, search YouTube for person doing crunches stock footage and person doing leg raises. Import them into InShot and split the clips right where the voiceover transitions from crunches to leg.
Definitely not revealed by doing endless leg raises while your lower back screams for mercy.
Now we've arrived at the most critical part of the video, the main exercise breakdown. I'm going to show you step by step how to turn a dense, information-heavy section into a fast-paced, high-retention visual sequence. So this is our script. It is a little long part of our script. You can pause and read the whole script to understand the more creativity. So according to this script, our step 1 is to download multiple visual angles. For exercise 1, the weighted crunch, do not rely on just one clip. Your voiceover is breaking down progressive overload, anatomy, and research. Head to YouTube and download 4 to 5 different stock clips. Someone holding a dumbbell crunch, someone using a cable rope, a close-up of abs flexing, and an aesthetic gym montage. Save all of them to your phone. Step 2, apply the 5 to 8 second cut rule. Import all you downloaded clips into InShot right after your previous section. Listen to your voiceover.
Lie on your back with your knees bent.
When the voiceover says, lie on your back with your knees bent, hold a dumbbell. Show clip 1. As it hits, curl your ribcage toward your pelvis. Tap split, trim clip 1, and let clip 2 take over, showing the exact ribcage movement.
Your entire torso toward your knees. Think about pulling the bottom of your ribs down.
Step 3. Sync research and anatomy shots. And that is how you turn a simple concept into a high-retention, monetizable video. If this step-by-step breakdown helped you out, drop a like and hit subscribe to lock in your daily edge for growing your channel fast. Now, if you want me to do a complete deep dive breakdown on this exact fitness niche, where I show you the secret master prompts, hidden editing assets, and teach you step-by-step how to design hyper-clickable thumbnails that get a massive CTR, let me know in the comments below. Bye!